Hey everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Sid and I like making videos about math, programming, productivity, and a bunch of other cool things. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the technologies that I want to learn and improve on for the remainder of 2021. I don't really know what the point of this video is except to document my own journey, but maybe it'll inspire you to figure out what you want to pursue next in your own programming journey. If you end up liking the video, consider subscribing. Only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, and subscribing helps me out a lot. It's totally free and you can always unsubscribe later. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. Here are the technologies that I'm going to attempt to learn and build a project with for the remainder of the year. Keep in mind that I will definitely not get to all of these, but I will try to do as many as I can, so let's get into it. So here they are, I'll go into depth about them very shortly. ReactJS and Tailwind CSS, that's something that I really want to get a hold on. AWS and web services. Flutter, React Native, and Docker. These are the 5 technologies that I want to get my feet wet in 2021, so I'll have until 2020 ends, so that's like 5 months. To take a look at these 5 technologies. All right, without further ado, let's go into a little bit more in depth into each one of these technologies and talk about why I want to learn them. I don't think anybody really needs a crazy explanation for why they want to learn ReactJS, but I'll give you mine. So I've already been learning React for a little bit since 2021 started, and I've made a few small projects here and there, nothing major, but I still don't feel like I know it well enough. So I'm going to focus a bit more on it before 2021 ends and build out some more small projects that are complex enough that I'll get an understanding of React and be confident that I can build whatever I really pops into my mind. That's my goal with anything that I'm really learning. The reason behind wanting to learn React is that I've always kind of neglected the front-end side of things, and I've been wanting to go beyond basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a while now, and learning React will hopefully help me do that and create better web applications that look really nice. And to that end, I'm also going to be trying to learn Tailwind CSS to make sure my things look nice, because I've heard Tailwind CSS is good, and I've also heard ReactJS is good from a lot of people, but mostly this guy. So the main reason that I want to learn AWS is simply to be more employable. I think the basic cloud practitioner certificate at the very least is probably helpful for the job market, and I want to get it. I feel like it's a very valuable skill, and I want to have that skill. Another reason is that I always feel lost when I'm thinking about the cloud, and I think studying up on AWS will help me get a better understanding of the cloud, and hopefully teach me about scalability for applications, and in the end make me a better software engineer. I don't really know how this is going to go, but I will make an update video about it if something cool comes out of it, or if I end up taking like the certification exam or whatever. Flutter. So this isn't something new that I'm going to be learning. I already kind of know Flutter, but I'm going to be improving on my skills since it's been a while since I've actually built a proper mobile application. The only real application or project that I have with Flutter is a really poorly designed image classification app. To make up for that, I'll try to make a mediocre Flutter app as a side project by the end of the year. If you have any suggestions for what you think I should make, leave them in the comments down below or join my Discord server. And because if there's one thing that's very hard for my brain to do, it's come up with ideas, so I need ideas from other people. Anyways, I don't know what the job market for Flutter really looks like. All I know is that I enjoy working with it, and it'll be fun to revisit and build a project in, especially with all the new updates that have come out for it. Now, you might be thinking, why am I planning on learning React Native if I'm already planning on improving on Flutter? And the reason is pretty simple. I just want to learn React Native. I mean, I'm already learning React for web development, so I might as well learn React Native and see how it compares to Flutter and decide which one I like better, so that when I'm working on side projects in the future, I can make an informed decision on which mobile app development, cross-platform mobile app development framework I want to use. Now, you might also be asking, why don't you just do native mobile development? And the reason is, I don't want to do it. Simple as that. I don't really know why. I think Swift and Kotlin are both really nice languages. I just don't want to do native mobile development. I'm learning Docker because it's a buzzword, and I've run Docker Compose up in my terminal enough times without knowing what it means, so I think it's time that I take the time out of my not busy schedule and take it to give Docker the respect it deserves by studying up on it. I'll learn Docker, ship an application with it in a Docker container or whatever the heck it's called. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about, which is why I need to learn about Docker. Well, that's all I really have to say about the technologies that I want to learn for the remainder of 2021. If you have any comments, concerns, or are getting mad at anything I said in the video, then feel free to join my Discord server and express your feelings there. You know, we can all learn stuff together. You have a lot of cool people in there, and it's a really fun time. Alternatively, you can leave a comment if you don't want to do Discord. Anyways, that's all I really have to say. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you already haven't. And if you really want to go above and beyond to show your support for the channel, hit that Patreon, link in the description down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.